Trieste, the beginning of the 19th century. The free port conditions and strong drive given by the Austrian sovereigns to economic development promoted trade, population growth and urban expansion. The Austro-Italian Generali Insurance Company deed of incorporation was signed on December 26, 1831. The initiative was promoted by Giuseppe Lazzaro Morpurgo. The name Generali emphasized the company's will to operate in all insurance world sectors. Shares were listed in the Trieste stock market in 1857, while the Vienna Erste Allgemeine was established in 1882, the first subsidiary. The company expanded and reinforced its presence in Europe and on other continents in the following decades. Furthermore, it launched massive investments to construct or purchase prestigious buildings that contributed to its property assets. At the end of the First World War, with Trieste's annexation to Italy, the company became Italian, while the following World War significantly reduced the company's international presence, with business closings in Eastern Europe. To recover the losses, the group expanded to Latin America, where it now has a strong and consolidated presence. In the 1990s, Generali Group development continued through the launch of new brands and important international takeovers. Today, it is one of the leading insurance companies in Europe in terms of premium volumes and for network extension, which includes over 100 insurance companies in more than 40 countries throughout the world. After an almost 50-year absence, the group returned to Eastern Europe with a strategy that now allowed them to gain good market positions. Bolstered by the consolidated presence in Tokyo and Hong Kong, insurance operations were launched in the Philippines and Thailand. Contracts were signed with leading financial and industrial groups in Southeast Asia. And above all, the group entered the vast Chinese and Indian markets with the establishment of Generali China and future Generali India. The Mogliano Veneto headquarters, a reconstruction of the old post offices in St. Mark's Square in Venice, has been operating since 1989. This is the history of Generali, the past, but the group's present is just as rich and meaningful. GGIA promotes the development of technical and managerial skills, knowledge management and innovation. All these are key factors in achieving the Generali Group's strategic goals. Better governance, improved operability thanks to group synergy, growth and innovation. These are our commitments for today and tomorrow. In coming years, Generali intends to confirm its position as a leading international group that generates value, produces continuous and excellent results for its shareholders, and is the flagship of the Italian economy in Europe and throughout the world.